Ménilmontant, mais oui, madame, c'est là que j'ai laissé mon cœur. C'est là que je viens retrouver mon âme, toute ma flamme, tout mon bonheur. Quand je revois ma petite église, un rendez-vous, une musique, des yeux rêveurs, tout un roman d'amour poétique et pathétique, mais Ménilmontant.
Everybody says I'm wrong. Said I'm dying to meet you, girl. Everybody says I'm wrong. Everybody says I'm wrong. But we keep it going on. Feelings coming on. But the bullshit got too long. Yeah. Everybody says I'm wrong. Says I'm wrong.
Okay, I can't do this anymore. What happened? Why are they everywhere? You're on the ottoman, the floor, the TV. What's going on here? Everything's covered in these paintings.
You're focusing on this too much. Like, I'm just trying a new hobby, so just sit down.
You've been acting off all week. What's going on?
I'm fine, really. Like, you're just making a big deal out of this, so Like, it's probably just the art style is like not in your comfort zone, so.
No, you've been leading me around all these places all day and you've barely said a word. You've just been mumbling to yourself.
That's not new. Come on, we've always been like this. So, just sit down and let's talk like we used to.
I've been trying to understand, trust me, but you don't give me any way to. You don't talk, you just keep running away from your problems. I don't know what your problems are, but hiding from them like this isn't gonna help anyone.